Fridababy Bitty Bundle of Joy Mom and Baby Healthcare and Grooming Gift Kit. Registry Must Have. The perfect starter collection of all natural, safe and effective fuss busters from the makers of the parent favorite and pediatrician recommended Nose Frida the SnotSucker. Post-delivery healing. Not just for babes, the Bitty Bundle of Joy comes with Fridet the Mom Washer, a postpartum peri bottle and hospital bag must-have for new moms. Great value. Contains 1 Nose Frida the SnotSucker, 20 Nose Frida Hygiene Filters, 10 Windi the Gas Passer instant gas relief tubes, a Nail Frida Snipper Clipper set with clippers and a newborn file, a Fridet Mom Washer, and a waterproof Fridet pouch. Perfect gift for baby showers. All packaged in one beautiful, reusable pouch with a customizable gift tag. It's the perfect baby shower gift and a registry necessity. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.